Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to hide taskbar in Windows 10. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. Here you are at the desktop screen of a window. Here you can see the taskbar. Now you right click on the empty space in taskbar. At the very last you can see the option of taskbar settings. You click on it. You will be directed to taskbar settings option. You can see every options that you can make changes related to your taskbar. Here to hide the taskbar, you can see the option available in second. There automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. There you need to slide the toggler to make the switch on. It is off now. So as you can see, it is on, and with that you can see the taskbar has been hidden. Now if you keep your mouse pointer in the taskbar, it is visible, and if you remove mouse cursor, taskbar will be hidden. This is how you can hide your taskbar in Windows 10. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to hide taskbar in Windows 10. Thank you.